Ako po si Olivia Miralles from Zhejiang University of Science and Technology, majoring Computer Science and Information Technology in Chinese thought. It's not actually that I found the opportunity, but the opportunity found me. As an international student, all the mentors, all the teachers see us with a lot of potential. Nung nag-open po yung application for 19th Hangzhou Asian Games volunteering, they motivated us to contribute to this one-in-a-million event. Although, sinabihan po nila kami na yung responsibilities ay magiging mabigat, pero nandun po sila, binigyan po nila kami ng mental health sessions para maka-cope up or ma-handle po namin yung pressure kapag nasa post na po kami. Actually po, yung category ko is only the ticketing. Only the ticketing category, so hindi po ako makakapasok po dun sa stadium, at ang responsibility ko lang po ay i-check yung ticket nila if nasa tamang game po sila, nasa tamang time at saka nasa tamang venue. It was difficult dahil yung language barrier po, pero nandun po yung teachers namin para i-guide po kami kung nahirapan po kaming bigyan ng serbisyo yung mga audiences dito sa Huanglong Sports Center. As like an international student in ZUS, my life is like a roller coaster. Besides the academics, we also have this international college na nagmamanage sa lahat po ng international students in our university, which binigyan po nila kami ng very welcoming environment para naman po maka-adapt lahat ng international students sa campus po namin with the Chinese locals. As a Chinese thought major, lahat po ng classmates ko ay Chinese students. Kaya po nung una, mahirap po talagang maka-cope up, pero dahil sa teachers, mentors, and classmates ko, hindi po nila kami pinabayaan at nandun po talaga sila all the way nung nagkaroon po kami ng shortcomings and hindrances. Kaya yun nga po, mahirap pero okay po kami.